are you people? So, you know those are communication classes, isn't it? So we have started from the roots of the communication skills. We have learned what is a communication because you people are attending Python course. Along with Python course, you know you have a soft skills classes. Now coming to the soft skills, it's nothing but people skills. But when you want to interact with the people, first of all, what should we have, people? Communication. That's really good. We should know how to interact with the people. Now, what is a communication? Already we have done in the class. That is nothing but one-to-one interaction. It depends upon the person, one-to-one, one-to-two, or one-to-many. And already we have done with the roots of the communication, 7 C's of the communication also. And we have done a creativity part where we went with the story writing, and you have done with the incomplete story writing also. So now, after doing this, we have entered into the roots of the grammar. Why I just made the first thing as a communication, then I went with the roots of the grammar. People, any like suggestions or any questions or any answer for this question? Why did we started with the first stage with what is a communication? We learned what is a communication and connectivity with the communication. We went with the 4 pillars of the English language that is very important for each and everyone. What are those 4 pillars of the English language? LSRW skills. That's really good. So L stands for listening, S stands for R stands for, W stands for. So these 4 are connected with each other. Even one is not connected properly. So what I said to you people, we are a disabled person. So we need to be strong with those 4 pillars. To be a good speaker, you need to be a good listener. So we have divided this LSRW skills into 4 parameters. So what are the percentages we have given? For L, listening skills, 45 percentage. For speaking skills, 30 percentage. For reading skills and for writing skills. So there ends with the 4 pillars. We completed 100 percentage, isn't it? Yes. Now you're clear with what is a communication, why communication is very important. It's nothing but what all we convey to the people, it should be with clarity. So your body language, your eye contact, your fluency, your pronunciation, your sentence formation, your grooming, your gestures. Moreover, self-confidence is very, very important. People, it's not like that I'm speaking only in English. It may be any other language, but it should be with clarity. So this classes teach us how to communicate. Moreover, you people are from different backgrounds, isn't it? You are coming from rural places. Some people like they go with the Telugu medium, Hindi medium, whatever it is. But here Quality Thought is giving a beautiful courses to opt according to your eligibility, isn't it? Now into like a Python class, you are into a Python class. You need to complete your course and get ready for the job. After going for the job, its first round is your interview round, isn't it? So how to face the interview, how to crack the interview, it all depends upon the communication. So maybe technically you people are very strong, but to convey how strong you are, you need to speak in English. So try to remember, English is a language, it's a global language, it's a universal language. So this language is a common to everyone to get understand. Maybe people, some people know Telugu, some may not know. Some people may know Hindi, some people may not know Hindi. But common is English. So to connect those things, I have started from the base. These all things maybe you have learned in the school. But what happens in the school, we may have interest, some people may not. And some people are scared to attend the English classes. I know very well, mostly from the rural places. Now you can't escape because once you have opted to enter into IT field, you should be a perfect person in communication. Otherwise, again, you'll be bouncing back. So if we don't feel that I don't know how to speak, maybe people at laugh. See, we are not bothering about the people. We have come here to learn and grow, isn't it? So first try to learn, try to practice, try to speak. I'm telling you, once you start speaking, even you're making mistakes, don't bother it. But slowly you will understand where exactly you are making the, okay, don't follow with the grammar. Initially, I'm telling you why, because you are just making now to speak. So, but we need some basic structure to make a sentence. So we have started the roots of the grammar from the class 3rd, isn't it? So roots of the grammar, you know what are the four, like we have 4 pillars of the English language in roots of communication. Now in the roots of the grammar, 8 parts of speeches acts like a roots of the grammar. I'm telling you again, even you go for any other university, they start from the scratch, from the roots of the grammar. So the, you know 8 parts of speeches. What are the 8 parts of speeches? Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, prepositions, conjunction, interjection. Okay. So we have done up to there. Now coming to what is sentence. We are doing at present what is sentence. So you can see on the board a group of words which makes complete sense. We can't speak with the person with a broken words or broken sentences. Why? Because the person may not understand what exactly you're communicating. So we need to understand before we speak to someone how we make a sentence. How we make a sentence? We make a sentence by joining all the groups of the words. From where we are getting this group of words? From where we are getting the usage of words? From 8 parts of speeches. So these 8 parts of speeches even known as categories also. According to our sentence, which category it belongs, we can make a sentence for picking up the 8 parts of speeches. Now coming to the sentence, again I said it is divided into 2, that is subject and predicate. So subject is nothing but which tells about the sentence. Like what or whom. Now coming to the predicate which tells about the subject, what to do. It's very easy to understand. First of all, we should know what kind of a sentence we are going to speak. What type of a sentence we are going to frame. Accordingly, we need to select the group of words. Now if you doesn't know the subject, how can you predicate? Isn't it? So every sentence have these 3 common steps. What are those? The first one is subject, predicate, that is verb, and object. Maybe your verb and object will be the same. The subject will not be the same. It will be keep on changing. So coming to this, here we have one worksheet where you people are going to work on that. What is that worksheet is? Nothing but you have to underline the subject and circle the predicate. So what I mean to say is, in Quality Thought, we are learning communication classes along with soft skills classes, included grammar part from the scratch. Okay. Now it's turn. You have to find it out which is subject, which is predicate. As I said you, every sentence will not have only one subject, one predicate. It may have compound subject, compound predicate also. Compound is nothing but a mixture or a group of words.